Welcome to video 7. This is where we're concentrating on step 3, applying the law to the given scenario. So what does this mean? Well, all it means is that you go through the scenario explaining the legal implications of the given facts. And be careful there, explaining the legal implications of the given facts. That, by the way, does not mean simply rewriting out the facts. You've got to add value. In other words, you've got to add law to the facts. The examiner does comment that many students in the application simply rewrite the question and then draw a conclusion. That isn't going to gain you any marks for step 3 for the application. Well, relating this a little bit more to the scenario. Because, of course, the actual application of the law to the actual application of the facts to the law, or the law to the facts, it doesn't matter which way around you do it, will depend on what topic you're being examined on. In relation to intention to create legal relations, there's actually going to be 3 steps in your application. There's 3 things you're going to have to deal with. The first thing is to identify the context. In other words, are we looking at social domestic family, or are we looking at business or commercial? Identify the context and explain why. You must explain why. You can't just say, this is family, full stop. You've got to explain why. The second step in your application will be to state and apply the relevant presumption. In other words, the presumption that's relevant to the context you've identified. And then the third step is to deal with rebuttal. And that's a 2-step process within itself. Look to see whether there's any express words of the parties sufficient to rebut the presumption. And secondly, look to see whether the surrounding circumstances can be used to rebut the presumption. Our next video will be actually doing this, writing it out in the context of the question.